Have you wondered why good wives, I mean those who care and love deeply, those who pray for their husbands and their children, they suddenly got tired of their husbands? It is not always about money or cheating. Sometimes it's something you don't pay attention to. Before we continue, if you are looking for a place where you can nurture your marriage, you are in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of couples with blissful marriage. Most wives don't get tired overnight. It is not suddenly, it is gradually. So let's look at 3 reasons why good wives got tired of their husbands. The first one I will talk about is lack of appreciation. Most husbands take their wives for granted. They can't tell their wives, thank you, well done, after house chore. They feel that it's normal for her to do it now. Am I the one to do the house chore? It makes women frustrated and it's going to affect their emotions. The second point is neglecting their wives emotionally. Most men think that being a good provider is equal to being a good husband. No, it's not the same. But to women, love is attention, caring, and understanding. Once you stop listening to her heart, she stops opening it. The silence in your home may not be peace, but pain in disguise. The last one I will be discussing is lack of partnership. Marriage is a teamwork. Women get tired easily when they are the solo player of everything in the marriage. Please share responsibilities, support her vision and dreams. Let her feel that you are in this together and not just roommates paying bills. To keep your wife, make sure you appreciate her. Care for her, give her the quality time she desires, support her vision and dreams. If you do that, she will not only stay with you, she will love you deeply. If this video has blessed you, don't forget to like and share it with other couples who are in need of it. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you won't miss our next video.